Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. Today, we are going to understand one of the most important ideas in science, the speed of light. It sounds complex, but we will explain it simply, step by step, so you can clearly understand what it means and why it matters. Let's begin. The speed of light is exactly what it sounds like. It is how fast light travels. Light moves incredibly fast, about 300,000 kilometers per second, or about 186,000 miles per second. To make that easier to understand, light can travel around the Earth more than 7 times in just 1 second. That is how fast it is. Now, think about this. When you turn on a light, it appears instantly because light reaches your eyes almost immediately, even across a room. Now, let's go deeper. Light does not only come from lamps, it also comes from the sun. The sun is about 150 million kilometers away from Earth. And yet, sunlight only takes about 8 minutes to reach us. So, when you look at the sun, you are actually seeing it as it was 8 minutes ago. Not right now. This idea is very important. It means light carries information from one place to another. Now, here is something even more interesting. Nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. It is considered the universal speed limit. Everything in the universe is limited by this speed. Not even signals or information can go faster. Now, let's talk about why this matters. The speed of light helps us measure distance, especially in space, because space is so large. We use something called a light year. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. And that distance is enormous, about 9.5 trillion kilometers. When scientists say a star is 10 light years away, they mean light from that star took 10 years to reach us. So again, we are looking into the past. Now, let's simplify everything. The speed of light is a constant. It does not change. Where you are or how you move, light always travels at the same speed. This is one of the most important discoveries in physics. Now, think about this. If you were traveling very fast, close to the speed of light, time itself would begin to change. It would slow down for you. Compared to someone standing still, this is called time dilation. And it is real, even though it sounds strange. So, the speed of light is not just about light, it is connected to time, space, and how the universe works. Now, take a moment. Let's review slowly. Light moves extremely fast. About 300,000 kilometers per second. Nothing can go faster. Light carries information. From distant places, we see things as they were, not as they are right now. Distances in space are measured using light, and time itself changes. Near the speed of light, these ideas may seem simple, but powerful, because they shape our understanding of reality. Now, take a slow breath and think about this. Every time you see light, you are seeing something that traveled at the fastest speed possible across space to reach you right now. And that is the speed of light. We will gently return to the beginning. Take a slow breath in and gently breathe out. That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.